Here is how to scrape Fiverr service packages with no coded knowledge. For this we'll need the Fiverr scraper from nifty.codes. Link will be in the description. Simply just download it for your browser. Next press packages of a service. As you can see, we extracted this service packages. Now head to the settings. Then press on stored data. In here you can find all data you scraped. You can specify some data to delete or move to export. Now to customize this, press on customize. Then press on packages of a service. In here you can change the data however you want. So for example, you can instruct some data. You can also change the order of the data. And also change the name. And also add the criteria to only scrape the products you are looking for. Once you're done, press save. You can also find more features in the add-on section. Now to export this, press add to export list. Then press export. You can export it in many different ways. I will export as HTML. After exporting, here is the data we extracted.